Hi everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 best Windows Mini PCs for 2022. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. 1. Apple Mac Mini with M1. The latest version of the Apple Mac Mini may look unchanged from its predecessors, but there's a revolution hiding inside. The Apple M1 processor, Apple's first big step away from using Intel processors in Macs. The new chip offers a surprising amount of power, taking on more expensive Intel Core i3 and Core i5 systems and coming out the victor. Paired with Apple's Mac OS Big Sur and Rosetta 2, it will run pretty much anything you need it to, as long as it's not Windows. It's not a perfect desktop. A smaller port selection and support for only 2 displays is a real letdown, but the overall value you get in the Mac Mini is more than we ever expected for the new, more affordable price. 2. Apple Mac Studio. The Mac Studio can deliver more power than any Apple computer on the market save the Mac Pro, and it packs it all into a quiet, well-designed chassis that looks good on a desk. As much as we love seeing Apple Silicon put to good use in MacBooks, where its power efficiency helps deliver some of the best battery life in the business, the Mac Studio with M1 Ultra proves that Apple's chips have the chops to compete with the best desktop PC silicon from Intel and AMD. Of course, since this is Apple we're talking about, you pay for the privilege. The Mac Studio's $1,999 starting price isn't too bad, but that gets you the entry-level model with the same M1 Max chip that's in the 2021 MacBook Pros. To get a Mac Studio with Apple's top-of-the-line M1 Ultra chip will cost you at least $4,000, though it's worth it if you want one of the fastest, most powerful Macs on the market. 3. Azul Access 3. The Azul Access 3 takes our favorite tiny stick PC and makes it even better. With a compact design that's almost small enough to put on a keychain, and flexible enough to be used with any monitor or TV, the Access 3 gets a faster processor, speedier USB 3.0 ports and adds gigabit Ethernet for better performance and connectivity than any other stick PC we've reviewed. The zippy performance even supports 4K video output, making it great for streaming. Whether it's for use in your home theater, powering digital signage or just giving you a way to watch Netflix on your hotel TV, the Access 3 presses forward in a form factor that larger manufacturers have largely forgotten. The Azul Access 3 is our new favorite stick PC, and the best mini PC you can slip into your pocket. 4. Intel Hades Canyon NUC. Intel's Hades Canyon NUC is a mini PC that delivers desktop gaming-grade performance in a chassis that's about the size of a book. Thanks to its Intel Core i7-8009G, AMD Radeon RX Vega MGH hybrid chip, which combines processing and discrete graphics on a single chip, the Hades Canyon NUC can handle AAA games and VR in a small, black brick that can be tucked into a backpack or added to a home entertainment center. Despite its small size, the Hades Canyon NUC is loaded with ports, including Thunderbolt 3 ports and HDMI output. If you buy the bare-bones kit, you'll need to provide memory and storage, and your own installation of Windows, but this pint-sized gaming machine can go toe-to-toe with an NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti-powered gaming tower, and it even handled a bit of VR. It's the best mini PC you can get for gaming without compromise. 5. Intel NUC 9 Pro. The Intel NUC 9 Pro is a workstation mini PC that offers huge power and a surprising amount of upgradability. A workstation desktop isn't an uncommon offering in the PC world, as they're the standard for many computationally demanding uses, ranging from architecture to animation. What is unusual is to see that level of performance packed into a tiny design that's smaller than a 5-liter SFF desktop. Throw in room for huge amounts of RAM, added drives and up to an 8-inch graphics card, and the Intel NUC 9 Pro is a rare beast indeed. And that's before discussing Intel's innovative compute element motherboard, which weds the modularity of the motherboard with the built-in cooling and self-contained design of a GPU to create a unique basis for a truly potent PC. Add it all up, and it's definitely the best workstation available in mini PCs today. Thanks for watching.